Today I'm reviewing the GMKtec EVO-X2 AI Mini PC with the Ryzen AI Max plus 395 processor, 128GB of LPDDR5X memory, and a 2TB PCIe 4.0 SSD. If you want to check current pricing or availability, it's linked below. I've been using this system on my desk as a primary compact workstation, multitasking with multiple browser windows, local AI workloads, light gaming, media playback, and external display testing. This isn't a spec walkthrough. It's based on how it behaves in real use. Let's set expectations clearly. This is not a full desktop GPU replacement. If you're expecting high-end 4K ultra gaming performance comparable to a large tower with a dedicated graphics card, that's not what this machine is built for. What it is built for is high-density multitasking, AI-assisted workflows, and compact productivity with surprisingly capable integrated graphics for its size. The Ryzen AI Max plus 395 feels responsive in everyday use. Boot times are quick, applications open instantly, and large projects load without hesitation. The 128GB of LPDDR5X memory is the standout here. In practical terms, it means I can run virtual machines, heavy browser sessions, creative tools, and local AI models simultaneously without memory pressure. There's no background stutter or swapping behavior under normal multitasking loads. For AI workflows specifically, having this much high-speed memory changes the experience. Larger local models that would choke smaller systems run smoothly here. It feels more like a compact lab machine than a typical mini PC. On the graphics side, the integrated GPU is stronger than what you'd expect from older mini systems. At 1080p, esports titles and lighter games run comfortably at medium to high settings. More demanding AAA games require tuning, medium settings and reasonable expectations. It's playable, but this is not designed as a dedicated gaming rig. Thermals are always a concern in this form factor, so I paid close attention. Under sustained load, compiling projects, rendering tasks, and gaming sessions, the cooling system keeps performance consistent. I did not see noticeable thermal throttling during extended workloads. The chassis gets warm, but not excessively so. Fan noise ramps up under heavy load, but it's controlled and steady rather than sharp or distracting. During normal productivity use, it's quiet enough to blend into a work environment. The 2TB PCIe 4.0 SSD keeps the system feeling fast. Large file transfers and project loads move quickly. For most users, 2TB is practical out of the box, though content creators with massive libraries may still want external storage. One of the more practical strengths is connectivity. Supporting Quad 8K display output gives it serious workstation flexibility. I tested multi-monitor setups, and it handled dual and triple displays smoothly. For trading setups, development environments, or productivity desks, that flexibility is real and useful. Now, positioning matters. If your goal is maximum gaming performance per dollar, a mid-tower with a discrete GPU will outperform this in raw frame rates. That's simply the trade-off of size and integrated graphics. If you're comparing it to traditional mini PCs with 16GB or 32GB of RAM, this sits in a completely different tier. The 128GB memory configuration moves it into professional or AI-heavy territory. Where this system makes the most sense is for users who run memory-heavy workloads, use local AI tools or development environments, want multiple high-resolution displays, prefer a compact, clean desk setup, don't want to build a full desktop that solves the performance versus space balance intelligently. Build quality feels solid and dense. It doesn't feel hollow or experimental. Setup is straightforward, and it integrates cleanly into a minimal desk layout. There are limitations to acknowledge. The memory is not user upgradable, since it's LPDDR5X. You're committing to the configuration you buy. And while gaming is viable, this isn't targeting dedicated GPU class performance. So the bottom line is this: if you need extreme memory capacity, strong multitasking stability, and AI-ready performance in a compact chassis, the EVO-X2 fits its niche very well. If your priority is high-end gaming scalability or long-term component upgrades, a traditional desktop remains the more flexible route. Check current pricing below and evaluate it against your needs.